Good morning, students. This is the sixth video of the chapter Nazism and the Rise of Hitler. And in this particular video, we'll try to understand what was the viewpoint of Nazis about their citizens. According to Nazi ideology, in fact, the Nazism party was formed on basis of some ideology. And according to this ideology, there was no equality between people. So they were completely in the favor of discrimination. They thought or they revealed that there is a racial hierarchy where one is superior, other is inferior. The Nazis began creating an exclusive racial community of pure Germans by physically eliminating those who were considered undesirable. So here Nazi created two classes of society. One was considered desirable, other was considered undesirable. And the target was to remove or eliminate the undesirables from the Germany in order to form a pure country, because desirables were considered pure and undesirables were considered impure. Nazis wanted a society of pure and healthy Nordic Aryans because Aryans were considered desirables. Jews, Gypsies, Blacks, Russians, Poles, even certain Germans and abnormals were considered undesirables. So other groups were considered undesirables, and it was decided that they had no chance to live in this country. Particularly the Jewish people were targeted most. Even those who were handicapped, those who were abnormals were considered undesirable for the German society. And this is how the racial discrimination was created in Germany. So basically it was the result of racial discrimination that created lot of pain, lot of hatred in the country. The other aspect was also there. What was the another aspect? It was related to the geopolitical concept of Lebensraum or living space. Actually, Lebensraum is a geopolitical concept, and according to this particular concept, Hitler wanted to expand his empire so that if few person will be left, a few pure person will be left, they could enjoy more and more space. So basically they wanted to capture other areas in order to give maximum area to the pure German people, so that German people can get more areas to live in and they could enjoy in the big area. So basically it was about the creation of living space, or to capture more and more space for the pure population or for the pure people. So we discussed here two important concepts here. First was that the racial discrimination, and second was the Lebensraum concept. So Lebensraum was the geopolitical concept, and it was about capturing more and more land to give benefits to the Nordic Aryans so that they could enjoy in large space. They could construct their house, they could construct their building, they could construct their park, their personal park in the big space. So this was done. And we already discussed that Jews were the worst sufferer in the Nazi Germany. Jewish person were targeted most. Hitler believed in pseudo-scientific theories. Hitler, in order to justify his act, Hitler moved with a pseudo or false scientific theories of the race. And according to this theory, he told that there is no solution to the Jews problem. The only one solution is to eliminate them. So Hitler was very convinced that the undesirables cannot be solved, or their problems could not be solved. They cannot become desirables. The only one solution is there to eliminate from this earth. So that is why Hitler moved with certain programs that created lot of problem finally in the country. And we all know that how Jews were killed one by one. From 1930 to 38, the Nazi terrorized, pauperized and segregated the Jews, compelling them to leave the country. As we already discussed that the Jewish person were targeted most. So one by one Nazi terrorized, pauperized. First of all, Nazi created terror in the minds of Jewish person. They were completely driven from the particular part of land, and they were segregated and they were compelled to live in a particular area. And after that, the next phase started, that was started from 1939 to 1945. So in this particular phase, they were sent to concentration camps, and in the concentration camps they were exposed to gas chamber in which they were killed. Basically these concentration camps were located in Poland, and Poland was captured by Germany at that time, so it was mainly made for doing experiment. So this is how a mass killing or genocidal activities started by the Hitler in order to win the heart of his original German people. He created lot of terror in his own country, and he categorized people or population into two categories, in which he gave preference to only one class, whereas he created lot of problem for the other class. So this is how racial discrimination was created in his own country. You can see here the Jewish person were there and they were targeted most in their own country. So this is all about in this video. Thank you so much.